GNC RC back once again, gang, and I am about to head to the hobby shop. So today I'm gonna open this, get the battery out of it, and we got a little treat. I'm not going to use this radio. I'm gonna use the stock radio. So we're gonna get the battery right here, get this thing charged, and we're gonna be on our way. Alright guys, this is the reason why I say the Deadbolt is the best out of the box. Probably the best mini crawler period out of the box.
Exactly.
Running on low right now.
Got a 40, I think. 40 or something like that, yeah. Yeah, man, we see like.
Alright guys, this is being ran with the stock radio, and everything else is completely stock on it. There's no upgrades. At one point in time the battery did die, so I took the battery out and I used the Mofo battery. I want to say it's like 450 milliamps, but other than that it's completely stock. Now I can say part of the reason why it felt a whole lot better and it was a whole lot smoother is because I've gotten a little bit better at crawling. But I can honestly tell you, out of the box, this performed way better than my Jeep. It performed way better than my C10, and the C10 is still in stock form. So when I ran the C10 versus this, you really can't compare it. The C10 still has the stock radio also. I was able to take this particular rig in some areas and it just absolutely did what it needed to do. The only upgrades I see that you may want to do to this out of the box is tires. And that's just only in certain spots. But again, the tires are going to only be based on whatever course that you're running or whatever the terrain is on that course. And at some point you may want to upgrade the servo. But the beauty of this particular one is you can just grab it out of the box and come up to your hobby shop or wherever you guys crawl, and it performs really well. And I think the servo performs really well out of the box the way it is because you don't have all the extra weight. Once you start adding wheel weights and all kind of other weights, heavier wheels, you know, you get into this thing where the servo doesn't really want to turn the wheels. So it's a whole lot more work on it. But out of the box, the servo works perfect. now we headed to the area where I had problems with my C10 and the Jeep. Even the Jeep after was upgraded. And of course it's all about the line. Now this is where the grip really come in handy. This is my very first time driving this thing straight out of the box. It completely ate the course up. So the whole purpose of this video was just to show you guys that you can go get one of these for $109 on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. It's actually a green one. The red one is $129 if I'm not mistaken. But you can get one of these and it'll go out and it'll compete. Well, I'm not going to say compete, but you can go out and have fun with anybody. I'm not sure how it will stack up against a competition rig. One has been set up for competition. But other than that, just out of the box to go have fun is perfect. Thanks for watching, guys.